Welcome to Training Buster. In this episode, we discuss the 10 benefits of dog spaying and neutering. Whether you've recently adopted a pet or you're considering it, one of the most important health decisions you'll make is to spay or neuter your cat or dog. Spaying, removing the ovaries and uterus of a female pet, is a veterinary procedure that requires minimal hospitalization and offers lifelong health benefits. Neutering, removing the testicles of your male dog or cat, will vastly improve your pet's behavior and keep him close to home. Many states and counties have established low-cost spay-neuter programs that make surgery easily affordable and accessible. To find a low-cost program near you, search our low-cost spay-neuter provider database. If you're in New York City or South Los Angeles, the ASPCA offers free or low-cost spay-neuter surgery for financially challenged dog and cat owners with proof of public assistance. By spaying or neutering your pet, you'll help control the pet homelessness crisis, which results in millions of healthy dogs and cats being euthanized in the United States each year simply because there aren't enough homes to go around. There are also medical and behavioral benefits to spaying and neutering your animals. Spaying or neutering is a no-brainer for most pet owners. They get that their pet will be healthier, live longer, be easier to care for, and have fewer behavior issues. They know the best time for their pet to get spayed or neutered is before a year old. We recommend 4 months of age because the surgery is safer and it prevents any chance of an accidental litter. What is spaying and neutering? Spaying is the surgery for females and it removes the animal's uterus. Neutering is the surgery for males and it removes the animal's testicles. Why should I spay or neuter my pet? Spaying or neutering your pet is one of the most important decisions you can make for your pet's health. Not only does this procedure prevent them from reproducing and creating unwanted litters of offspring, it also helps increase your pet's life expectancy. This surgery can increase your dog's life expectancy by 1 to 3 years and your cat's life expectancy by 3 to 5 years. Benefits of spaying and neutering. 1. Health and safety benefits. Increases life expectancy. Spaying or neutering your dog will increase life expectancy by 1 to 3 years. It will increase your cat's life expectancy by 3 to 5 years. Spaying helps prevent uterine infections and breast cancer, which is fatal in about 50% of dogs and 90% of cats. Spaying your pet before her first heat offers the best protection from these diseases. Reduces or eliminates the risk for mammary gland tumors, ovarian cancer, and uterine cancer in females, especially if spayed before the first heat cycle. Eliminates risk of testicular cancer and reduces risk for prostate disease in males. Reduces desire to roam, improving safety by reducing injury from fights or auto accidents. Male dogs can smell females in heat up to 5 miles away. Statistics show that as many as 85% of dogs hit by cars are unaltered. An intact male will do just about anything to find a mate. That includes digging his way under the fence and making like Houdini to escape from the house. And once he's free to roam, he risks injury in traffic and fights with other males. Reduces overall health issues, which is good for your pet and also lowers his medical costs. The cost of your pet's spay-neuter surgery is a lot less than the cost of having and caring for a litter. It also beats the cost of treatment when your unneutered Tom escapes and gets into fights with the neighborhood stray. 2. Behavioral benefits. Makes for a better family pet. Pets who are spayed or neutered are easier to train and more focused on their family. Neutered cats and dogs focus their attention on their human families. On the other hand, unneutered dogs and cats may mark their territory by spraying strong-smelling urine all over the house. Many aggression problems can be avoided by early neutering. Decreases aggressive behavior and creates a safer community. Dog bites are the second most common reason for children's emergency room visits. Unneutered male dogs are 18 times more likely to bite. Unspayed females are 10 times more likely to bite. Stray animals pose a real problem in many parts of the country. They can prey on wildlife, cause car accidents, damage the local fauna, and frighten children. Spaying and neutering packs a powerful punch in reducing the number of animals on the streets. Reduces or eliminates spraying and marking by males. Unneutered dogs and cats are more likely to mark their territory by spraying strong-smelling urine all over the house. Your dog might be less likely to mount other dogs, people, and inanimate objects after he's neutered. Some aggression problems might be avoided by early neutering. Eliminates messy heat cycles for females. While cycles can vary, female felines usually go into heat 4 to 5 days every 3 weeks during breeding season. In an effort to advertise for mates, they'll yowl and urinate more frequently. sometimes all over the house. When to spay or neuter your pet. For dogs, while the traditional age for neutering is 6 to 9 months, puppies as young as 8 weeks old can be neutered as long as they're healthy. Dogs can be neutered as adults as well, although there is a slightly higher risk of postoperative complications in older dogs, dogs that are overweight, or dogs that have health problems. For cats, it is generally considered safe for kittens as young as 8 weeks old to be spayed or neutered. In animal shelters, surgery is often performed at this time so that kittens can be sterilized prior to adoption. In an effort to avoid the start of urine spraying and eliminate the chance of pregnancy, it's advisable to schedule the surgery before your own cat reaches 5 months of age. It's possible to spay a female cat while she's in heat. Talk to your veterinarian to determine the best time to spay or neuter your pet. Helping your pet before and after surgery. Your veterinary clinic will provide pre-surgical advice that you should follow. In general, avoid giving your cat any food after midnight the night before surgery. A puppy or a kitten, however, needs adequate nutrition, and your veterinarian may advise that food not be withheld. Your veterinarian can also provide post-operative instructions for you to follow. Although your pet may experience some discomfort after surgery, your veterinarian can take various measures to control pain. Depending on the procedure performed, medication for pain may be sent home with your pet. Here are tips for a safe and comfortable recovery. 1. Provide your pet with a quiet place to recover indoors and away from other animals. 2. Prevent your pet from running and jumping for up to 2 weeks following surgery, or as long as your veterinarian recommends. 3. Prevent your pet from licking the incision site, which may cause infection, by distracting your pet with treats or by using an Elizabethan collar. 4. Avoid bathing your pet for at least 10 days after surgery. If you notice any redness, swelling, or discharge at the surgery site, or if the incision is open, please contact your veterinarian. Also call your veterinarian if your pet is lethargic, has a decreased appetite, is vomiting, or has diarrhea, or any other concerns following surgery. Find us at trainingbuster.com for more. That's all for now. Until next time.